Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about nodes. Someone emailed me and wanted to know the difference between this right here, which is closed curve, or this one right here that is close, curve to close extended. And here's the difference. If you select these two nodes, so they're highlighted, and you go to close curve, it does this. It's going to close between the shortest point of these curves. But if you just have two nodes highlighted and you use this right here, it'll close it, joining starting nodes and ending nodes with a straight line. So it just closed those two curves. Now in this case, this is a circle, and this is going to be a flat spot on your circle. But if you're drawing some other things, so if you wanted just the top and the bottom closed, you could select those two nodes and close them. So these two nodes would still be open, versus if you selected just these two nodes and go to this, it gives you this, it's closing the nodes from each line, where the other one is just closing the two nodes that you selected on. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.